Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. C250 Mercedes Benz come from another shop. The car, they say that ignition come on, but the car doesn't start. Ignition come on, the car doesn't start. The first thing you have to do, remove the filter housing, this one, and under it there is a battery. You're gonna take this one out, and I need to put a charger. First, without charging, you cannot do anything. So first we have to charge the battery. This is gonna be episode number 1. We're gonna walk together one by one. We have 2 keys in this car. You see one, there is no battery on it. I don't know why. And this is the other one. And when you put it in, there is nothing. Put the hazard light on. Where is the hazard light switch? Where it is. It's sometime hiding somewhere. Yeah, this one. I'm gonna push it. There is no light at all. So the first thing we have to do is to be sure that our battery is fully charged. I'm gonna put a charger on it. Okay, the year model of this car is 2013 Mercedes Benz. So the first thing, I'm gonna pull my cable charger, and when it comes by tow truck, it's very low. So we put something under so that we can take it out of the things. And here, the tow truck, and here is the filter housing that is collecting air that's sitting on the top of the battery. Okay, so now I took that one. Let me get a cable. I put a charger is on, and I am going to, yeah, you see, just keep charging. Disconnect the battery. I'm gonna turn the key off, ignition off. I'm gonna let it charge for a little while. You see here, everything start coming on, which is good news. This one's supposed to light up. You see here, it's supposed to light up, because if everything is okay, I'm sure positively here it's supposed to be light up. Yes, the car is in park. Let me see here. It doesn't come out of the park, you see? It doesn't come out of the park. That means, first thing that I see here, that to take it out of the park, maybe you have to pull out this one and then take it out of the park. Okay, steering lock working. You see here, but I don't have no, oh, I hear like car wanna crank. You see? Car wanna crank, but it doesn't wanna crank. And it doesn't wanna come out of the shifter. Let's give the battery charge. Also, guys, the first thing you have to do is to, if the battery is fully charged, or if it's not good, we can put a new battery there, because we don't know. Also, when you have a car like this, the first thing to do before you go crazy, take the belt out. Take the belt out. Don't do anything on those cars. Okay, take the belt out. You must take the belt out, because sometimes it could be alternator gripped, or compressor is no good, or something there. But right now I feel like we are in the right direction. Please subscribe, share, and like. If you want, you can take this one out. You see the turbo, the air filter line. If you want to take it out, but if you don't want to take it out, also you're good to go. But I know that I don't have no shifter. The shifter is not working. Let the battery take charge. If it is not charging well, I would disconnect I would take that battery out and put a brand new battery. We're coming back.